So guys, it's me with another video. I'm doing Thai food this time, but I can't show it to you like I normally do, so I'm doing it this way right now. So you guys can see it. Alright. I'm excited. It's fucking delicious. It's my favorite Thai spot. And it's called Thai Place. Here. Alright, let's do it. Go back. Alright. Alright, let's eat. I'm fucking hungry. Oh, I got some white rice too. You guys want to see that? I can show you that. Here it is. Alright, back to me. Alright. Let's eat. Where the fuck are the forks? Spoon, fork. See it? Some shrimp. Alright. Back to me. Oh my god, it's so fucking good. I'm so hungry. Only thing I eat this and some almonds with cheese snacks that I got from Sam's Club. I honestly don't know what any of this stuff is called besides the shrimp. I remember there's chicken in there too and some kind of noodles. But I'll show you guys so you can look at yourself. See? Look at that. Oh fuck, I'm making a mess. That has some spice to it though. I'm saying if you're Mexican, you gotta some chili sauce. Hell yeah. What else? Soy sauce. Yeah, this might be a long one because it's a lot of food. It's gonna be my last meal of the day, hopefully. I said that yesterday, but I had bad yesterday. Because as soon as I finished the video from yesterday, my homie called me talking about he wanted to celebrate his birthday and shit. Like his birthday is today, not yesterday, but he wanted to do it. He was talking about, oh, today's my birthday, this month's my birthday month and shit. Like, what the fuck? So yeah, we went to the movies. We watched Alita Battle Angel, I think it's called. It was good. And then we went to a nice little theater too, like a brand new one. There's an alcohol in there. They have reclining chairs. It's a little pricey than a normal theater, but it's worth it. So yeah, we went over there. Bought him some drinks. I bought myself a mixed drink and a shot. Cause it was his birthday and shit. And I bought him something too. The same thing I got. And then, well, this dude fucking fell asleep in the fucking theater, bro. He fucking, like 15 minutes in, he was out. Fucking snoring and shit. Not loudly, but he was snoring. You guys should try this. It's fucking so fucking good. See. to me. And after that, we were both hungry, so we went to Wingstop. But I could have just gotten like 6 wings and stuff, but no, I decided to be a fat ass. And I got 10. That shit was fucking delicious though. I don't regret it, but it was bad. I shouldn't have done that. Yeah. And I didn't fucking do anything other stuff. And then we drank. I went to the homie's house. We drank a little bit. Did some tequila shots, Himador. And we smoked a blunt. It was cool. Then we knocked out. Didn't get home till like 7 o'clock in the morning. And then I went to sleep again and then wake up till like 1. I still haven't gone to the gym, so I plan to though. But that's it. I was planning to run with my dogs or nothing because it's raining out. And I don't like to make them run when it's raining. I feel bad for them. So yeah. Let's hit the spot, bro. Excuse me. I don't really feel like talking, I just want to eat. Sorry. Guys, go to the spot, man. You won't regret it. Hit me up and I'll let you know where it is. Get some more rice. Into that. Alright. It's spicy. If you like spicy, you love this. And there's even spicier ones. I just don't get them because I like my spicy to be spicy, but to taste good. It's just fucking spicy. I don't see no point to it, so I'm not eating like that. But one day I'll try it, just to try it. Like the super hot wings from Wingstop, no point to buying them. I ate them. They're just hot. They don't even taste good. They're just fucking hot. And when the way they come out, fuck, man. You have fireworks up in your ass and shit. Oh, what? I mean, if you guys want me to make a YouTube video about that, just let me know. I'll do it. Is that the camera? Running out of battery? What the fuck? Fucking stupid bitch ass camera. We'll try to make it last for long. If it cuts, it cuts. Sorry. I charged it yesterday too, man. Fuck. Hope you guys are having a good Saturday. It's good. Mine's good. Just I slacked hardcore today. I'll make it up by going to the gym though. And today I found out some interesting things. One, what's it called? Like the place where that I guess kind of helped create Taco Bell. It's here, and I plan to make a video on it. I've never been there before. They're supposedly we're the first place to have American tacos with the hard shell and yellow cheese. So I'm gonna make a video of that. It's right next to the Vita place, which Guadalajara Vita I think it's called. That Vita is, I don't even like Vita, but that one is fucking, it's good as shit. I'll probably make a video on that too. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. I do plan to make reaction videos too. Work on videos and stuff. I just been lazy, honestly. I gotta clean my car too. I'm in a mess right now. I'm trying to show you guys. Alright, I'm gonna clean it. And I still have the Wingstop bag from yesterday. We tore it up, man. It was good eating. Here, let me show you the mussels. I love mussels. I don't mean how to clean it for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Cause it had all this stuff in it. Here. See? Let me just clean them with my hands because I'm gonna touch my camera. There you go. I'll show you mussels. Good as shit. I love seafood. As a kid, I didn't like it. I don't know why. I love it. One of my favorite foods to eat, seafood. I really hope I didn't gain weight, but I probably did. The wings and this. And I ate like at 11 o'clock yesterday. It's all my friend's fault. I blame him. Because I wouldn't have done it. It wasn't his birthday. But I want to do it too, honestly. Nobody forced me to go to Wingstop. Still have rice? Yeah, I'll kill it right now. Put a little sauce in it. Ah. Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Peace. Fuck.